See, today we are going to start with Adra because we have finished uh, Mrigashira last class, I
Okay.
think.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
Adra, whenever moon is placed in this Gemini Rasi, and the moon degree is between 6 degree 40 minutes to 20 degree. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
that person is born
Okay.
in Adra Nakshatra. The ruler of this nakshatra is Rahu. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
ruler
Okay.
of this nakshatra is Rahu. Can you tell me if
Rahu.
Rahu is somebody's nakshatra lord, what are the things the person may achieve or the person may his mindset will be like? Any
Yeah,
guesses?
Rahu is something very angry, forceful, and also unconventional activities.
Yeah, unconventional
So
activities and plus Rahu is very materialistic.
materialistic. So he's fond of pleasure
Lux,
of lot of things, luxury
uh,
item and other things.
luxury items plus luxury is more into Venus, but Rahu is all about like those things which society doesn't like. He's a rebel, and he's all about
Hmm.
getting things. He wants a lot of cars. If he is not satisfied with one car, he's not satisfied with
Hmm.
one home. He's not. Rahu always want things because he has only head. So he wants to experience everything in this life. So that's the
Yes.
problem
Yes.
with these Adra people. They are very materialistic, I am saying, as I have written. And because Rahu is all about experiences, they want to have new experiences all the time. New
Hmm.
experiences like they can go into drugs, they can go into alcohol, smoking. Once they have this habit of smoking, they will just go on and on till their lungs are damaged. So
Yes.
that is the problem with these people. Okay, and b- uh, so lot of desires because the uh, desire will never end because Lord Vishnu has cut Rahu and Ketu are actually one. Lord Vishnu had cut the neck of Rahu and they have divided. He has divided Rahu Ketu into two parts. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so
Mm.
one
Yeah.
part is
Mm.
always full of desires. It's not never going to uh, get his thirst is never going to get quenched. That's the problem with Rahu. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so in this case, what is the symbol here? The symbol is also like some people say it's a teardrop, like
Tear.
yeah, tears. You can say tears. Okay, so
Tears.
you know
Okay.
How Rudraks was formed.
Yeah.
Rudraksh Mala.
Lord Shiva's eye tears.
Exactly. So in here also, what I'm saying is that if you have problem with people with Adra Nakshatra, they should worship Lord Shiva. The deity is Lord Shiva here in this case.
They can also wear Rudraksha,
Rudraksh.
no?
Rudraksh will control their uh, these desires because they have lot of desires that can get them into trouble. Since they have also this Mercury energy in them because Mercury is also falling here. These people have this business kind of mindset. So if they channelize their mind into business, they can get a lot of business success in business because they have to channelize their energy in a proper manner. These other people.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
so if they have more Mercury power, Mercury is well placed, they can become very good businessmen, very successful because Rahu will use his brain and Mercury also his intellect, and they can do wonderful in businesses. They will just have multiple businesses and they will get lot of successes in this. And they are very achievement oriented because of this
Okay.
combination. So they have to
Mm-hmm.
channelize that their energy in a proper manner.
Okay.
Okay, let's come
Yeah.
to Punarvasu. See, Punarvasu, as you can say, the degrees are from, if moon is placed in the degrees of 20.1 to 3.2 Cancer,
Cancer.
then,
Until cancer, it extended. Okay.
so it actually splits. The energy is split here.
So it will
Punarvasu,
have the both energy like Mercury and Cancer moon. So it will
exactly.
that.
No, wait. Punarvasu
Ah,
will have, I have written it wrong, I think. Uh, it will be actually Mercury, na?
yeah.
Just a
Yeah.
minute. So uh, it is Mercury. So they have this energy of Mercury, Jupiter. Why? Because Jupiter is the Lord, Nakshatra Lord of Punarvasu. This,
Punarvasu, yeah.
and Moon, because one part is also falling in the Moon. So these people are very generous, very like spiritual people, very spiritual people. Because
Mhm.
whenever Jupiter Moon combination comes, Jupiter Mercury Moon combination, Mercury is intellect. So their Jupiter is all about teaching, have being a teacher, like spreading knowledge, like a consultant. So these people tend to be very like they want to be like giving their wisdom to everyone. So teaching professional is very good for these people. Punarvasu.
Okay.
It's a very pious kind of a nakshatra. People not like Adra, where it is all about materialistic. It is entirely different here. So these people also become spiritual gurus.
Oh,
Spiritual
so
gurus, they
spiritual guru
teach.
also part of that. Yeah. Okay.
So they become very spiritual in nature, and they like to give wisdom advices to everybody. There's a difference. In
Oh,
Adra, it is all
okay.
about all about what materialistic things. Here, it is all about giving wisdom to everyone. Okay, the symbol is
Okay.
a bow and arrow. Okay,
Okay.
bow and arrow. It is a symbol. These people are very happy in nature, very wealthy because whenever Jupiter is involved, wealth comes. Wealth by wealth, it is not only about materialistic wealth like money. It is also the wealth of knowledge. So they enjoy both materialistic prosperity and also spiritual wisdom.
Okay. So it's a
Okay.
balanced star.
Yeah, it is a very
It will good
balanced
for
nakshatra. Very
material
good.
life as well as
So
yes.
people born in this Punarvasu nakshatra are very lucky and they have this blessing of Jupiter. Once Jupiter is involved in one nakshatra, things change. Things becomes quite
Mm.
balanced. So this is a very auspicious kind of a nakshatra Punarvasu.
Okay.
Okay. Let's come to
Yeah.
Pushya. Pushya Nakshatra is from 3.2 degree Cancer, and the whole Pushya Nakshatra falls in this Rasi, that is Cancer Rasi. The Lord here is Saturn. So you know that Saturn and Moon combination is generally not considered good because
Favorable. Yeah.
because it gives a lot of mental issues, emotional issues. It gives a lot of like sleeplessness.
Yeah.
Because I belong to also Pushya Nakshatra, and I know that. Sleep
Oh,
problems
okay.
definitely happens with Pushya Nakshatra people. Whenever Saturn Moon
Okay.
combination comes, it becomes a issue. But here,
Sure.
people in Pushya Nakshatra are very generous in nature. They can also become priests
Mm.
because they have got this helping nature to help people. So motherly, the symbol is cow. See, cow nurtures everyone by giving milk to everyone. How milk is how important, you know that milk gives nutrition.
Yeah.
So cow in itself is like very auspicious, and cow nurtures everyone in this world by giving her
Hmm.
milk. So in this
Yes.
case, these people are very like nurse, doctors. They nurture people. Whatever diseases people face, they go to doctor. So these people can
Okay.
become very good doctors, nurse, and the people like who run NGOs. They want to do something for the society. These people also love to do open up NGOs and do lot of social work because of their
Okay.
nature.
Okay. Okay.
So only demerit they have got is this Saturn sometimes uh, can create problems in terms of emotional issues. They should not trust anyone just like that because in that case they will face problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it
Clear.
is all. So they should be very wise in making decisions like whom to trust, whom not to trust. Okay, so
Okay. Okay.
this is the three nakshatra which I've discussed. In the next class, we'll discuss more. Okay,
Sure. 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 Sure.
just a second. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Please.